So what do you like about this river?
I just love the play between sand and water. From the time the river rises, that is in the month of monsoons, that is June, July, August, September, the river just keeps rising. And actually the river rises from the month of February because of the snow melt. And come June, July, then it starts getting monsoon. So this river can rise about 25 to 35 feet easily. And then it starts receding from the month of October, and slowly it recedes towards mid-Feb, and again it rises. So it's very beautiful to see the river rising and falling, and as it rises and falls, it deposits sand or takes away sand. So this is what I just love, and every cruise, every week that we cruise, the river is different. Either the islands are forming or the islands are getting vanished or just disappearing.
Islands.
Islands.
In this river.
Yes. These are all islands that you see. All the sand that is there are islands. And there are millions of islands on this river. Hectares of land that is all islands.
So this is not the only place where the river
resides. This is not
resides.
the shore. This is just an island.
This is just an island. Okay, so river is far more bigger than
Yes,
what I can see.
This river can be about 25 kilometers wide.
25 kilometers wide. Okay.
So where we are on the south bank, from the south bank to north bank, it takes about an hour to reach. So the ferries that run from Nemati Ghat to Majuli take an hour and a half to reach.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.